Also, when you have a setup like a canopy like this, it's always a good idea to tie some gallons of water to prevent your canopy from blowing away. And if you do it this way, if you learn this knot, you will never ever need a bungee cord again. All right, so we're gonna hang this gallon of water on this little bungee, on this little cord, but we're gonna make what I call a slip knot. So you just loop it around the handle like that. You loop it at the bottom. You saw how I looped it at the bottom, and it comes straight up like this. All right, and then you go around a few times. I would say 3 or more times. So see, so this one's coming out, it's going around 3 times, and then the other end you go underneath and then through here, and then you tighten like this. So now you can slip it up like this, and it hangs the gallon. And then this, to get it down, just pull it down like this, or you can slip it higher and it just stays like that. So that's the slip knot. And you always want to have these hanging down here when you're using your canopy, because you don't want your canopy to fly away in case you get a wind gust. It's not that windy today, but you never know if it might pick up later. There you go, guys. Hot tip of the day: slip knot.